So we're solving two-step equations, and the most important thing to remember when you're solving two-step equations is that first you have to do your addition and subtraction. Then you need to do your multiplication and division. So we're going to solve 3x plus 12 equals 24. You're trying to find out what value of x makes this equation true. So which number, when I plug it in for x, will give me 24. The first thing we're going to do is separate our equation into two different sides to remember that we need to keep it balanced. The second thing that we're going to do is our addition and subtraction. So we notice we want to get x by itself. So we have x over here on the left-hand side. I know that 3 is being multiplied times x, and 12 is being added to 3x. So first I need to subtract 12 to eliminate it from this side. That gets me one step closer to getting x by itself. Whatever I do to the left-hand side, I also need to do to the right-hand side. So I subtract 12 from both sides. 12 minus 12 is 0, so that goes away, and we are left with 3x on the left-hand side. 24 minus 12 is 12. The next thing we need to do is undo this multiplication by division. Remember that whenever you have a number right next to a variable, that number is being multiplied times that variable. So we need to undo this by dividing both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, which means that I don't need to write this because 1 times x is just x. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the solution to this equation is x equals 4. Now if you're not sure if you got the right answer, let's go ahead and plug it back into the original equation to check. So we're going to replace x with 4. 3 times 4 plus 12. Well, 3 times 4 is 12. And I know that 12 plus 12 is 24. So 24 equals 24. This is correct. Now let's look at the next one. This one we have a subtraction problem. So again, I'm going to separate it into the two sides. To undo the subtraction, I need to add 10 to both sides. So minus 10 and plus 10, those are opposites, and they cancel out and leave me with 9x equals 63. To undo this multiplication, I divide both sides by 9. So again, 9 over 9, that's 1, and 1 times x is just x, and that equals 7.